Hello, friends. Welcome once again here in Word Bank by Parishram and Endeavor. Here we are going to, discuss or we are going to learn some new words based on vivo and vita. Vivo means to live and vita means life. These are two very important roots of the word, and they are playing a very important role in the English dictionary. In English dictionary, we can say. First word that is depending on vivo means to live, and that word is vivacious. Vivacious means full of the joy of living. you know we can say a vivacious personality, and not to speak of his vivacity, a person who is enjoying his life to the full extent. So we can say vivacious. Vivid, second word is vivid, and vivid is nothing but the vivid is possessing the freshness of life. Vivid is sharp, vivid is strong. We can say, for example, vivid, a vivid imagination, a vivid color. So it vivid means it is giving the strongness, it is giving sharpness. So vivid is nothing but, in short, we can say it has the freshness of life. Next word is revive. Revive means bringing back to life, and the noun is revival. So revive means revive. Re means again, and vibe is from vivo. It means bringing back to life. That is called revive. Next is vivisection. Sometimes it is called vivisection. So vivisection is nothing but operating on a live animal. What is the meaning of operating on a live animal? Means VV, it is again coming from vivo. Vivo means to live. Sect is a Latin word, and its meaning is to cut. To cut. So vivisection, it is the process of experimenting on live animals to discover causes and cures of the disease. Some persons, they are standing against it, and they are called anti-vivisectionist. Anti-vivisectionist, they object to this procedure. But we should keep in mind that a number of medical discoveries were made through vivisection only. First, they experiment on live animals, on living animals. Now, viviparous. Again, viviparous means it is coming from two words, vivi, that is from vivo. Vivo means to live, and parus means parents. It has been taken from the word parito. Parito. So producing live babies is nothing but viviparous, and sometimes it is called viviparous. The same, with the same root, we have got another word, oviparous. So oviparous means again it is from parito means parent, and ovi means ovi is taken from you know ovum means egg. Oviparous means producing young from eggs. Those are producing young from eggs are called oviparous, like fish, right? Ovum is nothing but egg, fine, egg, and it is the source of, ovum is the source of oval, and ovoid is egg shaped. So we can have another word, ovulate. Ovulate means to release an egg from the ovary is called ovulate. Now I am coming to the next word, and that is vital. Vital. So vital is very essential to life, and it is of crucial importance. We can say it is a vital matter. It's full of life. Okay, it's vigor. So vital is playing very important role, and all vitamins that are, we can say, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, they have been derived from the word vita. Vita means life. Vita means life. So all the vitamins we have taken from the word life, right? So we can have another word, that is vitalize, means to give life to. That is called vitalize, to give life to. Revitalize, it means, we can say, revitalize means again bringing back the life to. So this is called revitalize. The same is devitalize. So we can say devitalize means what? So devitalize means we are removing the life from. So that is called devitalize. Devitalize means to remove or to rob the life. That is called devitalize. So these are the words, and we have to keep in mind, and we have to keep in our practice, so that we can learn, or we can say that we are learning something, right? So thank you for today. Thank you very much.